Hey, so this is the third part of the September reset, and it is my favorites of August. So I have 5 different categories. I have fashion, lifestyle, foods and drinks, hobbies, and media. We're gonna begin with fashion. So I wrote layering. I've been loving to layer lately, even though it's summer, so I can't layer all that much, but I've been loving to layer. Second, which goes with layering, is camisoles. I only own like 2, and then 3 corsets. I feel like that's a good number. 5 tops that you can put on top of other tops. 5 tops that you can put on top of other tops. English, okay. But yeah, I just love camisoles. I never wear them on their own, though that's something I am not able to just have straps because I hate my arms. So yeah, I also have dungarees. I have 3 pairs of dungarees, and I haven't been wearing them so much again because it's summer and it's really hot in France right now. Well, right now it's okay, but a few days ago it was heat wave, so we were dying from the heat basically. But yeah, I love dungarees. They're so comfortable, so versatile, so cute. I just love dungarees so much. Then I have my Doc Martens. The Doc Martens word is between like little this, I don't know what that's called, because it's not actually Doc Martens. They look exactly like Doc Martens, but they're not actual Doc Martens. And I actually bought them at the thrift store. They're my size. For, hold yourself to see, because you're not gonna believe me, 3 fucking euros. 3 euros. I'll put a picture of them here. They're so beautiful. They're so pretty. I love them. They do hurt my feet a lot, so I'm trying to wear them on like little walks and such, but I love them. I made myself my 3rd iced coffee of the day. It's so good, and yeah, it is in my Chamberlain coffee, little mason jar. My fourth like this, not like this, thing in the fashion category, and last, wait, it's actually the 5th. I knew, my subconscious knew. Layering jewelry. So I don't have that much. I don't have that much jewelry, or I don't have that many necklaces. It's either one or the other. But I do love to layer jewelry. Lately I just like having, like, often I put a choker, a necklace that's like a little long, and then my baptism necklace, whatever that's called in English, I don't know. I'm French, just in case you were wondering why I have a weird accent and some words are missing from my vocabulary. Yeah, I just love layering jewelry. I won't say I love layering, like I could have put layering necklaces, because I don't really wear rings or bracelets because they bother me when I like draw or do something creative. So yeah, that's the end of the fashion category. Next we have the lifestyle category. The first thing is museums. I was convinced that I hated museums because of my eating disorders. It's very hard for me to stand to like not do anything for a long time, and I feel like in museums you're not really doing anything. Like, you are watching the art, but that's it. So I thought I would hate museums, but I realized when I went to Glasgow, Scotland, and to Paris, France, that I freaking love museums. I could spend hours in a museum, and I'm not kidding when I say that. I love museums so much, especially art museums. I feel like I have a really big interest in art because I am an artist myself. So maybe if you could take me like to, I did go in Glasgow to the Museum of Transport, the Riverside Museum, and it was really great. So, but I guess that's also like kind of a physics thing, because it was like motors and such. So maybe that counts as me being a physics nerd. I love museums. Okay, that's all you have to remember from that. And next we have matcha, which is not really, I feel like it's here every month, but especially the matcha I made earlier today with coconut milk and a little bit of honey, and the matcha that my brother brought me back from Japan. Chef's kiss, it was so good. We also have tea and infusions. I have just been loving to drink things lately because I spend a lot of time like at my desk recording YouTube videos or editing music videos or making music or drawing, and it helps me to have something to drink. So yeah. And the last thing in the lifestyle category is writing letters, real or with slowly. So I love writing letters so much, and I actually have, like, my mom bought me this sticker set from the Musée d'Orsay, which is a museum in Paris, and it has a lot of things for like lettering. Like, I'm gonna show you. I only have one hand, so this is a little hard, but it has like, wait, I'm gonna put you here. There you go. It has lots of stickers and big stickers too, and little things that you can put on letters. It's so beautiful, and I use it for bullet journaling mainly, obviously, but I also used it recently to send a letter, well, yesterday, to send a letter to a friend of mine who I met in a clinic in 2020. Her name is Manon, and we have recently started to write letters to each other, and I am so excited to do that again, because when I was in the clinic I wrote a lot of letters to a lot of people, and ever since I've started university again, so that was 2 years ago literally, I haven't written any letter to anyone except on Slowly, which this is not sponsored. Slowly, if you want to sponsor me, please do. I am your biggest fan. But Slowly is an app on which you can send letters to people all around the world, and I made really big friends on Slowly. I have mainly my Scottish friend Lewis, which you have heard about before. I met him on Slowly. I met my Hungarian friend Lars. If you're watching this, hey, that's all I have to say. No, Lars, if you're watching this, I just finished writing the letter. We're sending letters back and forth, and the concept of the app is that the farthest the person is from you, the longer its letter will take to arrive. I'm just gonna say that again. The farthest the person is from you, the fastest the letter will arrive. No, that's the contrary. If the person is really far away from you, the letter will arrive. It will take a really long time to arrive. I can't talk English today. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, Lars, I was just saying, if you're watching this, I just finished writing the letter back, and your condom ordeal story was absolutely hilarious. I was there in the train and I was laughing my ass off, and people must have been like, she's absolutely crazy. She needs to be sent to an asylum or something. Which they're not wrong, because I'm crazy. I mean, yeah. Anyway, that was my little message to Lars, and we can go on with the next category, which is foods. I wrote figs. Does this need an explanation? Oh, my hand is getting tired from holding the mic. Does this need an explanation? No, we all know what fig is. We all know what figs are. And I just love them. They're kind of my favorite food at the moment. We also have honey. I feel like every month I have a hyperfixation food that I'm mentioning. Like 1 month it was parmesan, this month is honey. Who knows what it will be in the month of September. We also have yogurt balls. I just love to like put a yogurt, put some muesli, put some fruit, and mix it all together. I just love doing that so much, and that makes a great breakfast. I'm a huge breakfast person, by the way. You have to know that I will not skip breakfast. I will not. I don't skip breakfast ever. Next we have IKEA vegetable bowls. They are amazing. I don't have much more to say. Special mention to the cinnamon buns from IKEA too. They're really good. Each time we go to IKEA, we just buy like 4 packs of each. And yeah, to make sure we have some for like the month to come. I also have written trying out new foods or cuisines. Cuisine. Pronouncing French words with an English accent doesn't make sense because I'm French. So trying out new foods or cuisine. Yeah, I just said or or cuisine. I can't talk both French and English in the same sentence. Sentence. Oh my god. Okay. Next we have melted cheese. I have been putting melted cheese on absolutely everything lately. If it's like cheddar, not great. If it's like Emmental, good. If it's like Comté, my god, absolutely fucking delicious. Yeah, I'm French. I could tier rank. That would be such a fun video to do. Tier ranking all cheeses from France. Next we have frozen fruits, especially raspberries for me. I just love frozen fruits because they never go bad, and you can just get them out of your fridge anytime, rather your freezer anytime, and they're just ready for you, and you just have to microwave them, and they're here. They're queer. They're filled with existential fear. If you know, you know. Next category, hobbies. I wrote reading in German because my friends, I have about the 5th Harry Potter in German. I've read about 10 pages so far, which is, yes, not that much, but it's really hard. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of lost the habit of reading in German, and I do want to take back the habit, so yeah. I also wrote watercolor. Do I need to say anything? Okay, I'm gonna show you my absolutely horrible Billie Eilish drawing that I did for my cousin. I hate it. I absolutely despise this fucking thing. I hate it with my whole heart. I just look at it and I'm like, you need to get out of my life. But the other drawing that I did is a drawing of Faith from Faith Is Not Faith. I think her username, I'll put her username up here, but yeah, this is the drawing. I just took a reference picture from her, and then I asked her what her favorite flowers are, and I just drew a bunch of flowers. It's really fun to do. I'm having a lot of fun, honestly. But yeah, watercolor. Also, bullet journaling. I'm literally reading from my bullet journal, but I've been like having so much fun with doing bullet journaling. So much fun. Especially journaling my own thoughts, like just like regular journaling. So yeah. Next and last category is media. I wrote adolescence. I adored this series. I watched it like I think in June, but I still cannot get it out of my head. It was so good. 20 out of 20. 20 out of 10. Absolutely phenomenal. I want to rewatch it. Okay, next we have Dodie's debut album, Build a Problem. I have been listening to that on repeat, like so much. I also were watching back to school YouTube videos, not the hauls, like the overconsumption. I have been watching those because I want to make a video on how overconsumption and back to school hauls relate to each other. Oh, I still have a little bit of coffee. And I wrote Sima because she's a queen, and I have been listening to her music so much lately, so much. And yeah, that is it. I am going to close my journal, and that is the end of the September reset video. I very much hope you liked it. I was very, 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 very inspired by Beth Gold. I'll put her username and such here. She does monthly resets, and I really wanted to try it out for myself, especially since I'm starting uni in September. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please, you can give me a little thumbs up. If you could leave a comment and just tell me, okay, you're gonna tell me what your favorite thing of this month was. If you watched this far, tell me what your favorite thing this month was. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot stress that enough. I am so happy you are here. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Take care of yourself, please. You deserve to eat. You deserve to be loved. You deserve everything you have ever wished for. And you are an amazing human.